sa aming humble school with our 37 teaching and non-teaching personnel and 871 pupils. So I hope po that you will just enjoy and be comfortable during your stay here. Now, for your basic necessity po, siguro sa phone hindi ko kaya sagutin. Pero for the comfort rooms naman po, kahit saan classroom po meron. Pwede po dyan, may comfort room. Diyan po sa computer room na gagamitin nyo, mayroon din po. And to the other classrooms po. Also, sa office din po, kung gusto nyo, may CR po doon. So, siguro, ano na lang po, medyo talagang mainit. Ang venue nyo naman ay open. Dito naman po siguro kayo mag-everybody na, no? And you will also utilize that room. Ma'am Ilni, kung pwede buksan nyo na lang yung aircon doon kasi may aircon naman doon sa isang room na gagamitin ninyo. Gamitin nyo na lang po. So again po, welcome and good luck po sa inyong lahat. Alam ko po galing ito sa San Vicente and San Lorenzo Ruiz. Ano po? So ang iba po dito siguro galing pa doon sa malayo. Pulantunang, San Isidro, Manimoncito. Ano po, yung iba naman po, dito lang sa atin. No? So again po, good morning and welcome. Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed and valued member of our community, it is with great pleasure, honor that we welcome a distinguished leader whose vision and dedication have played a pivotal role in shaping the progress of our beloved school and community. Today, we are privileged to hear an inspirational message from none other than Mrs. Elnora A. Palma, District Alls Coordinator of San Vicente and San Lorenzo Ruiz District. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, validators na alam kong mababait. Good morning sa lahat na magpakandak ng PPAs. Sana galingan ninyo sa reading, writing, and interview. Relax. Lahat ng tanong dapat sagutin ninyo para makapasa. See you sa May 22 for your completion too. That's all.
Thank you so much for your inspirational message, Mama Elmi. Ready na talaga kalimutan sa conclusion.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and members of our community, it is both an honor and privilege to introduce a beacon of inspiration and leadership among us. Today, we have the distinct pleasure of